I'm outside here minding my own business, and there's this fly that won't leave me alone. Look. What do you want, Mr. Fly? I moved away, and look. Oh, it was coming up to my drink. I was like moving it away, and it wouldn't. Yep. Can you leave me alone? Can you see this? What do you want from me? Oh my goodness, can y'all see this? I don't know what kind of bug this is, fly, but listen, you're barking up the wrong tree because I don't know who you are. Can you, like, okay. I mean, if you want to come home, you're gonna live with us, but I'm not feeding you.